Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to replace the battery of JBL Charge 3. Before that, please subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit the notification bell icon. Now let's start the video. You can see the speaker. I think battery is bulged. There is a gap here. Let's remove and see how the condition of the battery is. I am going to replace that battery with this new battery of 6000 mAh 3.7 volt. You can see 3.7 volt 6000 mAh. Alright, now let's disassemble the speaker. This is the battery cable here. Just removing the pulling it out here. Battery comes out. You can see this battery. 3.7 volt 6000 mAh battery, and I have this similar battery. You can see. Just see the thickness of this battery. Actually, when this was new, it would have been like this, the same thickness. Now this has gone bad, so the thickness of the battery is way too much increased. Now let's replace this battery. Before replacing it, the length of this cable is more and the new battery's length is very small, you can see. So I am going to remove this part and remove this part as well. I will take out this cable and connect here. That's it. Then we will put the battery in the speaker and we will assemble it back. Alright. I have taken this lengthy cable. Now I am going to put this cable in this BMS. So let's tear this off. Alright, now I will put this old cable in this new battery. We'll solder it. Alright, cable is fixed. Now let's see the voltage. Alright, 3.74 is there. Now let's insulate this and put back in the speaker. Now let's put the battery in the speaker. Connected here. Let's turn on the speaker. All right. Great. Now let's see the charging as well. turned off. Now connecting the charger. Alright, it's charging now. So let's assemble the speaker back. Alright, the speaker is ready. Alright, the speaker is ready. You can see there is no gap here. Perfect. Now turning on the speaker. Connecting to the Bluetooth. Playing the song. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.